For us here at Tambike Session, we'd like to believe that it's always the season of giving. If you are feeling generous and you want to give a gift to your loved ones who ride the bicycle, pero hindi mo alam kung ano ang ibibigay, we got you covered in this episode. Together with two cyclists who organize group rides and interact with different kinds of bikers, we'll help you and give you the best gift ideas that you can get, wrap, and send to your cycling friends. This is Lester Baviera and you are listening to Tambike Session, an Anima podcast. Kasama ko ngayong episode na to si Oya Bautista and Jason Zamoza from Oya Cycling Club. Hi Oya and Jason, welcome to Tambike Session.
Hi,
Lester.
Lester. Hi, everyone. Thank you for the invite.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yes.
Maraming salamat. And mukhang pagod pa kayo from your Audax adventure. Yan. Si Oya complete lang ng 200-kilometer Audax ride niya. Congratulations again.
Thank you. Thank you, Lester.
So ito na nga, ang topic natin ngayon ay about gift giving. Ano ba yung wish list ninyo? Ano yung mga regalo na bike-related na gusto ninyong matanggap?
Okay. Well, for me, personal wish ko, it's not more of an item, but I wish for more pedestrian-friendly roads or bicycle-friendly roads. But for items, kung sino man yung bibigay, cycling cap, okay na ako.
Wow, cycling cap. Well, totoo naman. Ako din, gusto ko din ng safe space, safe roads for cyclists. Pero cycling cap yung gusto mo na matanggap na regalo from anyone. Madami ka bang cycling cap? Nangongolekta ka ba?
Yes, I do collect. And personally kasi I sweat a lot kapag I ride a bike. So at least yung cap, it mitigates the sweat coming down to my face. So hindi siya mahirap mag-navigate or hindi siya hindrance to my eyesight whenever I ride a bike. Ayun.
Kasi may mga listeners din tayo na hindi familiar sa cycling, na gusto lang regaluhan yung mga friends nila. Yung cycling cap, it's different from, an ordinary cap,
Yes.
diba? An ordinary
Yes.
hat. Tama ba?
Yes, it's different. Mas manipis siya. Iba yung tela niya. And the main purpose talaga is pwede mo siyang gawing pang-block sa sunlight kapag masyadong maaraw. Or ayun nga, hinaharang niya yung sweat mo from going onto your face or to your eyes.
Alam mo, parang naalala ko, nung nagsisimula pa lang ako magbike, isa sa mga una kong binili sa Tryon, naalala ko yun sa Tryon, nakita ko na parang merong mannequin doon, tapos naka-cycling cap siya ng Super Mario. During that time, well, until now, sobrang I'm into Mario Kart, ganyan. So, binili ko siya, pero nung sinubukan ko sa salamin, mukha akong itlog eh. So, sabi ko, hey, mukhang pass ako dito sa cycling cap. Pero, recently, sa Singapore, nung nasa Singapore ako, bumili din ako ng mga cycling caps eh. Nabudol din ako. At sabi ko, sige, maybe I'll give it a try next year na magsuot ng cycling cap. Kasi nga, effective nga talaga siya na pangharang sa sweat. Hindi, parang
Yes.
ina-absorb niya, no? Kapag pinapawisan yung
Ina-absorb
ulo
niya.
mo. Para for safety reason din yun kasi hindi tatama sa mata nung siklista. Kaya,
Yes.
gift idea number 1 for everyone. Ayan, ang gift na gustong matanggap ni Jason. Cycling cap. Ikaw, Oya.
Oh, no.
Ano ang regalong gusto mong matanggap?
Never yun din besides a safe space for bikers, especially din for women on the road. Then yun, marami kasi pero wish list.
Marami. Wow, may listahan. Prepared siya. Prepared si Oya. Sa,
Wow.
baka naman, di ba? Sa mga nakikinig dyan, sa mga
Guys.
sumasama sa Oya Cycling Club, di ba? Okay, so ang wish list mo?
Kasi gusto ko mag-bike build for MTV. Then, yun din, cycling cap. Bagong group set for that mountain bike, if ever man. We'll see. Yun. Tapos, joke lang to, pero kalad ka rin na jowa, na biker din. The joke.
Item ang hinihiling natin dito,
Item
hindi
ba?
tao. Pero, sige, just in case sa mga gustong magregalo ng jowa kay Oya na
Joke lang.
kalad ka rin, pwede naman siguro.
Joke lang po. Yan. Yan lang.
Okay, so ang gusto mo ay bubuo ka ng mountain bike.
Yeah, planning.
Tapos gusto mo ng mga items for your mountain bike. Tapos group set, again, sa mga nakikinig na hindi siklista. Ano ba yung group set?
Group set, yung parang drivetrain sa bike. Like, may iba't iba kasi under Shimano, like may Sora, may Ultegra, may 105. Parang components siya that are involved in moving and stopping the bike. So, yung gear shift mo, yung brakes din.
Siya yung nagpapagalaw sa bisikleta.
Yes.
Kung yung cycling cap, mga anong range nun? Mga siguro 250 to 1,500, di ba? Yung
Yes.
group set, mga magkano naman yan?
Naku, mga ano yan, depende. May 20K, may 13K. Yung mga
Ayun.
matataas na group sets. Or usually, yun din umabot. Like 5 digits.
Pero if medyo galante ka, pwede ka rin naman magbigay ng mga group sets na in the higher end na pwedeng umabot ng mga 6 digits. But you have to remember that buying a group set can be tricky. Kailangan malaman mo kung ano yung specific na group set na suitable for the bike na pagbibigyan mo. Medyo challenging mag-surprise ng group set, but it's a much appreciated gift. Oh yeah, and Jason, alam ko madalas kayo nakakapag-interact with cyclists, especially here in Metro Manila. These are different kinds of cyclists. Merong mga naka-mountain bike. Alam ko nakakapag-interact din kayo with people na naka-folding bike, road bike, gravel bike. Ano yung mga magagandang iregalo para sa isang biker, sa isang siklista? Jason, ikaw, what do you think?
Well, especially if you're organizing community rides, may isip mo na rin talaga worst case scenario na may mangyayaring masisilaan, mapaplatan. So I think those are the best gifts that you can give to a fellow cyclist. Road safety accessories and maintenance accessories. As to be specific, pwedeng patch kit, pwedeng inner tube, or pwedeng lights to be visible sa gabi, lalo na if you're a bike commuter. Pwedeng reflector or a bike bell to alert pedestrians or people on the road or cars on the road. And pwede ring air pump or bike lock. Kasi these days, dami kong nababalitaan na nawawala ng bike, especially dun sa specific bike parking pa nawawala or nakukuha yung bike. So, to be sure, at least more than one bike lock will do. I think these specifics na pwede mo ibigay to someone.
Actually, it's an easy gift, no? Yung safety items for cyclists. I remember na-appreciate ng mga tao kapag binibigyan sila ng magagandang ilaw, rear or front lights. Kahit meron na silang ilaw. It's really helpful kapag madami ka kasing dalang ilaw eh. The more visible you are at night, the safer you are on the road. And there are times na minsan mauubusan ka ng baterya or mawawala yung
Yes.
ilaw or meron kang kasama na wala palang dala so kailangan magpahiram. And it's so handy kapag meron kang extra. So it's a short way of saying na regaluhan niyo po ako ng bike lights. Mga ganun.
Okay,
Tas parang
so
ano,
Lester.
I'm just kidding. So, tama ka. Bike clock is also something na magandang iregalo sa mga siklista. And siguro, kung may magre-regalo ng lock, I recommend a U-lock. It can be more
Yes,
expensive
U-lock.
than the typical na wire, but it's really worth it. Yun, tama ka. Mga for safety purposes na items. And yung minention mo na reflectors, it's a little bit like mga 100 pesos to 500 pesos. Depende sa design eh. Tapos pwede mo pa ipa-customize yun, di ba? There are many Instagram shops na nagko-customize ng bike reflectors. So, kung gusto mo nang magregalo ng madaming ganon, parang you can have your own design mass-produced for a cheaper price, di ba?
I agree. So we have fellow friends din naman na we get those from, no? Yung mga reflectors. Dahil na parang uso din siya ngayon eh. So it identifies
Yeah.
you then as a biker. Pag nakita yung reflector, or si ano yun? Kasi yun yung reflector niya.
Yeah. Ikaw ba, Jason, may reflector ka?
Yes, yes, meron. Very distinctive yung reflector ko is logo of Twice.
Ah,
Kelly.
wow.
Yeah.
Gusto ko yan. Isa ka bang once?
Yes. Yes.
Yan, parehas pala tayo. Ikaw, Oya, meron ka bang bike reflector?
Yes, I customized it kay Neko Cycles and it's the badge sa Attack on Titan.
Ako,
There.
yung reflector ko, pizza. Slice of pizza. Yun lang yung, bike reflector ko. Eko, how about you, Oya? What are your suggestions na magandang regalo para sa mga siklista?
Okay, same kami ni Jason. Like, yun yung bike tools, and yung mga inner shoes, like, sobrang kailangan yun. It's for safety din. Yung mga ilaw din.
Speaking of inner tube, ayan yan, medyo specific din yan. So, you have to ask your friend kung ano yung gulong nila
Yes.
para compatible. Kasi sayang naman bibili ka ng inner tube, random inner tube, tapos hindi naman pala swak dun sa gulong niya, di ba?
True.
Yeah, very helpful kasi consumable yung inner tubes Tapos, you'll never know kung kailan mo siya magagamit. Tapos, hindi naman siya easily available lalo na kapag, halimbawa, nasa gitna ka ng bundok or nasa, in the middle of somewhere na malayo yung bike shop. So, it can be really, really handy. Ano ang magandang iregalo for a newbie?
I think pag for a bike na beginners, or on gravel yung ma-recommend ko. It depends
Hindi, like if bago yung cyclist, for example, meron na siyang bike, ganyan, or magbabike pa lang siya, ano yung mga pwede niyong iregalo? Grabe naman yung bike, sobrang galante, no? Eto, regalo kita ng gravel bike. Na yung pera.
Same din yun sa lights, mag-invest siya sa good headlights and rear lights, handlebar bags. Then I think if wala pa siyang helmet, yun din. Invest siya on a good quality helmet.
Yan. Speaking of helmet, meron ba kayong marirecommend na magandang helmet? Kasi ako naniniwala ako ngayon na yung helmet, hindi lang siya something for protection, kundi it's also a good way of, being fashionable, looking nice on the road. Di ba, tinaterno pa nila kung ano yung bike na dala nila So, yung iba, hindi lang isa yung helmet. Lalo na pag everyday cyclist ka, you tend to have different kinds of helmet kasi hirap naman maglaba regularly, di ba? So, anong helmet ang maganda iregalo sa mga tao?
Yung sa akin kasi na apply na siya sa aftermath na accident. So, matibay pa rin siya. Like, ang
Ano
nangyari,
yan?
it's the most affordable sa Specialized.
Align.
Yeah, the
Tama
Align
ba?
one. Yes.
Yeah, yan din yung
Align
bumili
one.
din ako niyan nung nandun ako sa recent trip ko abroad. Kasi nakalimutan ko magdala ng helmet. So, bumili ako. Sabi ko, uy, cool to yung pinaka-affordable sa Specialized. Tapos
Yes.
sabi ko, ang ganda pa ng itsura. So, yun yung binili ko.
Yeah. Yun. Then, it costs around 3.8.
What were you telling a while ago? Nagamit mo siya for?
Kasi recently, I had an accident. Bike accident. So, we went for a endurance lap. So, we were training for ADAX that time. And on our way home, I got hit by a driver. They just told me na I was unconscious for like 2 minutes because I hit my head on the ground. So, dun ko rin nakita, may gasgas yung right side ng helmet ko. Then may little crack na inside. So, buti na lang talaga, like, nothing happened, like, major. Like, nakapag-bike pa din. Including the
And the
hospital.
helmet saved your head, di ba?
Sobra.
I'm glad you're safe. I'm glad you're okay. And nakapag-odax ka na naman. So, and hopefully you're healed now.
Thank you, yes.
So, going back to the helmet, maganda that you purchase something na hindi lang aesthetically pleasing, but also has a better way of protecting your head. So, yung Specialized na helmet, meron siyang MIPS,
Yes.
or what they call slip plane. It's a technology that helps minimize the impact in your head kasi it adjusts sa movement ng ulo mo kapag natatamaan.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Jason.
For helmets. What I have is a Bell helmet. Meron din siyang different models, but it's pretty much more expensive compared dun sa sa specialized. But I think meron din naman silang category na cheaper.
Gaano ka-expensive ito?
Talking about 5K to 6K, I think.
So medyo more expensive pero highly recommended.
Yes. And I believe you get also a cash replacement discount. But of course, we really hope not to use that, no? Kasi
Yeah,
in order
totoo,
to get
totoo.
those, to avail that discount is kailangan mo munang ma-aksidente. So we're not really praying for that to happen or looking forward for that to happen to anyone else or sa kahit sino.
Kayo, ano pa yung mga other brands ng helmets na mare-recommend yung pwedeng ibigay sa mga cyclists?
I think Lumos is also a good brand kasi
Yeah, kasi meron ng automatic lights, no?
may automatic lights, meron din siyang remote to indicate kung saan, which way you're going, right or left. Meron din siyang light sa harap mo. So it's not only rear light, hindi lang siya red light sa likod. So meron din siya sa harap. Ayan, that's one good helmet. Meron na rin siyang local distribution here in the Philippines. So madali na rin siyang makuha. One is Tambay Cycling Hub. So
Yeah, sa Pasig.
really
Tambay
sa
Cycling
Pasig.
Hub, yeah.
Shout out to Kevin and
Hello.
Anika. I think that's it for me.
Ako, parang maganda rin yung POC at Giro.
Gyro, yeah.
So I think yun yung mga helmets na pwedeng iregalo sa mga siklista. But if you're like really in a budget, maganda rin yung mga nasa Decathlon na helmet.
Yes.
Ah,
Parang okay din siya.
oo.
Basta yung ginagawa niya is to protect your head.
Yeah.
But as long as it does the job.
Yeah, yung sa Decathlon, no, parang ang daming items na pwede mo rin iregalo sa mga tao. Parang punta ka na doon, tapos makikita mo, shopping ka na ng mga items doon. So, uy, pwede itong panregalo. Kasi many things are useful there. Meron na silang bike lights, meron na silang bike lock, meron na rin silang, helmets. May mga damit pa nga sila, di ba? Speaking of damit, would you recommend?
Especially sa newbies, I think these cyclists kasi yung mga newbies, takot din sila ma-burn, ma-sunburn. So, a good gift would be a sleeve, neck warmer. Okay din, yung mga dry fit na damit para hindi masyadong makapit yung pawis sa balat.
Yes, dry fit na damit. Yan, so, yeah, I guess an easy gift would be dry fit shirts. Tama.
Yes.
Parang mas madali magregalo ng dry fit shirt kaysa jersey, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ang jersey, very size specific. Especially for women, parang hirap kumuha ng women's size. No,
Kasi
kaya.
Yeah.
iba-iba din eh. Like, for example, sa itong store, small ako, pero pagdating sa isa pang shop, medium pala. So, it varies din talaga.
Unless magbibigay ka na lang ng GC, di ba?
Oh, why not?
Sila na lang bibili.
Ikaw na
Why not?
bahala.
How about other apparels na pwede nilang iregalo? Bike shorts, meron ba? Pwede ba yun?
And even socks, ayun. And meron din, I wanted to add, yung sa Decathlon, yung pwede mo siya ibulsa, yung jacket. So, para siyang windbreaker. And may iba't iba ring sizes yun eh. Like, may neon. So, I remember it costs around 700. So, malaking bagay yun if, kunyari, umulan. I could just get it in my pocket and just wear that jacket. So,
Jacket for rainy. Yeah, it is really handy. Especially sa weather natin dito sa Pilipinas na very unpredictable, di ba? For example, ayan, magre-regalo kayo sa mga kaibigan niyo or someone would ask you, a stranger na hindi nagbabike, ano bang pwede kong iregalo? Saan ba ako pwedeng tumingin? Meron ba kayong tips na pwedeng ibigay sa kanila?
I think gusto nila specific, ask the person, send directly. Then, kapag
Huwag na
meron din
mag-surprise, no? Mahirap pa yun eh, no?
I think yung pwedeng hindi mo na tanongin yung pagbibigyan mo, pwedeng bidon. Pwede ka magbigay ng bidon. So, universal naman yung
Sorry?
site.
Pwedeng magbili ng?
Bidon.
Bidon. Yung
Tumbler.
water
Yeah.
tumbler. Yeah.
Akala ko Bitcoin.
Bidon, sorry.
Bidon. Yeah.
Yeah, bidon. So, pwede siyang, I think universal yung size niya. Kasya siya sa lahat ng bottle cage. Madadala talaga siya or helpful talaga siya dun sa cyclist. Anywhere you go or whatever type of cyclist you are.
Yeah, tama. Ako naman, yung matitip ko sa tingin ko, if if someone would want to give his or her cycling friends, pwede siya pumunta sa mga bike shops and then helpful naman yung mga staff doon eh. And I would recommend going to my favorite bike shop sa Bikery Bicycle Lifestyle sa Quezon City kasi ang dami nilang items na dinadala dito sa Pilipinas. Bike items that are popular in cycling communities abroad like Japan, sa States, sa UK, and they're not just good in quality. Sobrang appealing pa ng itsura. So kayo ba, sa tingin nyo, saan pwedeng pumunta yung mga people to shop for gifts?
If it's online, tas mga cycling jersey, sobrang affordable yung Vector. I would really recommend Vector. Then if you're into the cycling cap, you could check out their Instagram and Groundwork Cycling. And if bike shop, Tambay Cycling Hub,
Yeah,
sobra.
maganda rin yung selections
Maganda.
nila doon.
Yeah.
Built,
And
built cycles, pwede rin.
Tambay
Yes.
Cycling Hub is in Pasig sa Pineda, right?
yes.
Yes.
And if you're looking for a part, you could ask Sir Kevin then. Sila din maghanap for you. Then they will notify you kung meron available. Then, for example, if gusto mo nang magpakabit, Bike Wrench PH will be there to, put your
Si
the money part.
Eugene.
Yes, hi
Yes.
Eugene. Yes.
Marami din sa Quiapo. I mean, Quiapo has different kinds of bike accessories, bike parts. So, parang tabi-tabi yung stores doon. Pwede rin tumingin and they can assist you. Support your local bike shop dun sa city nyo if meron din.
Yes.
I guess this is my last question. Bakit kailangan regaluhan ng mga tao ang kanilang mga cycling friends?
I guess it's a way of showing gratitude and being thankful that they're always present. It's way of you appreciate that person just being there, not just through biking, also as a friend, a companion, someone you could trust or rely on. So yeah. Yun.
Well, for me, Lester, I think kahit anong iregalo mo sa isang siklista, matutuwa. Basta kahit anong accessory or bike part, bike related. Kasi alam mong magagamit nila. It will be really helpful in their everyday bike endeavors. So, mga adventures nila. And alam mo na for you help this person in a way na alam mong safe sila sa daan and magagamit nila yung tool na yun or whatever gift that you gave.
Ako naman, I think magandang regaluhan yung mga friends nyo na siklista dahil wala na silang pera. Dahil nagastos na nila sa kanilang mga bisikleta at nagastos na nila sa kanilang mga bike
Kaka-upgrade.
boodles. Kaka-upgrade. So, a little bit of help, joke lang, a little bit of gift can be very much appreciated by the cyclist.
Yes.
Diba? Tama naman.
Agree. Oh, tama naman. Mahirap buhay.
Okay.
Oo, mahirap buhay.
Mahirap.
Diba? So, kung may regalo man kayo, so ito yung address ko. Just kidding. Ito yung GCash. Kung gusto nyo i-cash na lang, 0917.
Take
Yan
note,
Guys.
everyone.
So, kidding aside, the spirit of giving is something na common sa mga Filipino. So, if you're feeling generous and you wanna give your friends who ride a bike or your loved ones na nagbibisikleta ng regalo, sana meron kayong napulot muna sa mga recommendations namin dito and from Oya and Jason of Oya Cycling Club.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you guys.
Yes, maraming salamat again, Oya and Jason, for joining me sa episode na to. At sana meron tayong natulungan. And to our listeners here na hindi pa nagbabike, I think ang best gift na mabibigay nyo sa inyong mga siklista friends ay ang
Yeah.
magbike na rin kayo.
Oh,
At
The more the
masama niyo
merrier.
sila sa kanilang mga adventures. Again, Oya and Jason, maraming salamat.
Thank you, Lester.
Thank
Thank
you,
you all.
Lester. Sobra.
And to our listeners here, maraming salamat for joining us. At sana ay magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na episode ng Tambay Session.